back to Travels with a Single Lady. So last night I stayed in the Holiday Inn Express in Vauxhall London, 9 hours. I have an appointment at the US Embassy this morning for a visa. So I'll give you a quick tour around my hotel room. It is currently 6:45 in the morning, but I was too tired to do anything last night, so coming in, usual door. It's quite a nice room actually. So you've got quite a big entrance area. Dropped a bit of tissue on the floor to pick that up. So as soon as you come in, you've got temperature control, the lights, and you have to put your key in for the door. You've got bathroom. Let's put this bit of tissue in the bin. So in the bathroom you've got 3 Vauxhall mirrors, bubbles, cup, sink, tissues, toilet paper, toilet, shower with a curtain though, not glass door, towels, mat, basic bathroom. As you come out of the bathroom, you have got tea and coffee making facilities. I've not used them because I don't like pot milk, as in like this milk, don't like it. Then you've got down here, you've got a safe and like a little storage area. You move on round, you've got some more storage up there. There's the air conditioning unit / heater, which I did use last night because I was cold. Coat hangers, storage space. My tea last night from Pizza Express. I have a TV, big desk, really comfy desk chair actually. This was quite comfortable. There's a bin under the desk, a bit more storage under there. You've got this little sofa-y thing in the corner, that was quite comfortable. And then you turn around and you have this Vauxhall bed. Now I led this way, and this way, and in all 3 directions I could not reach the other side of the bed. It is huge. And I mean, I'm not the smallest of people. I mean, I'm 5'3.5" height-wise, but I'm not massively tall, I'm not massively short, I would say. I don't know. It was a big bed. So then you've got some artwork on the wall, 2 windows. I forgot to say I'm in room 126, so I'm at the back of the property, overlooking the car park. So the windows are frosted actually. And then you have this out to the car park here. Hotel is really, really quiet, except for the aeroplanes going over like every 20 seconds or so. You've got a hairdryer and a full-length mirror. So it's really nice. Hotel couldn't do enough for me last night when I asked questions. Really comfortable room. Like I said, the actual hotel itself was quiet. The duvet doesn't even cover the entirety of the bed. It's that big. But no, really good room. I'm off now to go and visit the US Embassy, and then I will be on a coach on my way home again. So I shall see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel, and if you subscribe, click the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. I'm hoping to get a few more uploads up really soon. Bye guys! I decided to go for a little jaunt around London afterwards.